Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I'm going to take you on a little tour of Eagle Nest, New Mexico this morning. They have a Artisan fair going on right now. It's farther down the street in the park. But I thought I'd just take you through the whole town. Over here, my campground is over there by the lake somewhere. It's only 5 minutes away. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me because wind or car noise or anything like that. I'm sorry because there's nothing I can do about it. So let's take a little stroll. We'll start at this end. See what you got. Oh wow, look at this. An RV park over here. Well, back behind all this. $285 a month. That's pretty cool. Don't quite know where that is. Okay, so there's a little motels I think down there, and this is a restaurant I have not been to. And we are crossing the street here because all the activity is happening on the other side. I rarely eat lunch out because it's so expensive. But every once in a while I just crave a cheeseburger and fries and things like that. Cabin rentals. Cute cabins. Kaliha's restaurant. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but I've eaten there a couple times. Fantastic cheeseburgers. But for me to walk in there and get a cheeseburger and fries with a tip is $18 or $19. So, but I think it's probably one of my favorite burgers places around here. Okay. Got a little patio out here. And then over here, it's like an ice cream place. And they got gifts. Ooh. Oh, that eagle feather trading place. Yeah, it's nice. I got my t-shirt there and I got my hat there this year. I love Eagle Nest, so I got a hat, like a ball cap. There you go, I think it's a fire station there. Yep. Oh yeah, I took a video of this last year. But in case somebody didn't see it, I'll wander over here, a little park. And I do have this on a video. New Mexico loves their peppers. There's little prairie dogs, hummingbirds, and fish. Mercantile. It's got paintings and rugs and jewelry and all kinds of stuff like that. Of course, this is my favorite store here. This is where I got my niece's earrings last year. So, I'll probably get her some more, but I'm gonna wait till the end of the season before I leave. We'll go back then. I don't know, I've been trying to find the perfect straw hat since I moved here and to New Mexico, and still haven't found it. And I might have run into a place, there you go. I might have run into a place, actually a gas station over here. We'll see. But yeah, search for the perfect straw hat. I mean, I have other hats, but the straw, I think it kind of keeps your head cool. Ooh. Oh yeah, I've been in there before. That's furniture. You know, there's a restaurant over there. I don't know if there's anything else that's open. It is Sunday and it is busy. Busy, busy, busy. I think because of the fair. I'm not sure. Here we got. There we go. This is what we're doing. High Country Artisan Festival today. This is Eagle Nest Park. And like I said, if you guys can't hear me, I am so sorry. Just enjoy the sights. There's nothing I can do about it. Look at that. Enchanted Eagle Park. Let's see what we got. Hand-painted China High. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, I see that. They're gorgeous.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, that's pretty. What's that?
Morning, how are you guys?
It's purses.
But to spend money, I always have to think about it. And so then I end up not spending money.
See, that's the
So that's
responsible
good.
in you. I will. This one.
I did. I told her everything you told me.
What's that cost? It's not too bad. I actually have a cross stitch pattern at home that's looks almost like that. Forgot what the artist's name is.
I like to do them like do little shrines.
Yeah, it is. Look at how intricate this is.
Yeah, her wings took a little while. But on that angel over there, her wings took a while.
I don't know how well you guys can see this.
What's the last
Which one?
Ooh.
65. But you're sure. I mean, I don't need too much jewelry
Welcome back.
I am sorry.
No, it's okay.
I got her. She was a rescue. 5.5 weeks. And I was a widow. And let me tell you, she's going to take care of Mama. I want these two.
All right, so what is the drink in the cup?
All right.
From Nueva Niños Winery, it's a watermelon
Sangria.
sangria.
Walking stick.
I think that's pretty good. That's worth attempting. Hold them up here. Get a better layout.
Hey, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. Folks, everything's my work except the rope baskets. They belong to my son. He does that. And this is the end of the
There's an
show.
author on the
And
basket.
he doesn't want you to bring any home. He will take whatever you offer. And you know what? If some vendor was smart, they'd come and tell me.
Buy them all. Buy everything.
I would love that.
Beautiful.
I'm not coming in there because it's better.
Those are so pretty.
Ooh, painting. Oh wow. Look at this one. I don't know how well this is coming out on video. Sun's a little bright. This is pretty cool. Source. So beautiful. The detail and everything. Nice. Okay, so it caught my eye here.
morning?
Hi.
Yeah, he's got Tori. We're good.
These two are. See it.
I like these long ones. I do too. I could wear them. They're too short.
And keep in mind that there's also another version of this ring that does not have this here. It's just open all the way so that you don't want the two to over there.
knew what he was doing. Intended.
Yeah, yeah.
I like that.
You like the cows?
Yeah. They're so cool. Oh, all these are.
These are all done on a computer. Digital
Yeah.
art. Let me give you one of these. This is my photography website, and that's my digital art website.
Okay.
And there's 250 different pieces like this on my
Online?
on my digital art website.
Oh.
Yeah, they're probably on the church. They'll probably show up a little bit after.
I love that.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I was trying to think of a song I could sing with her. I don't know any
I have some samples there on the table. The middle one is the pork skins, and the one on the far side is the cracklins, and then the kettle corn.
Oh, okay. I gotta taste this. I'll be back. Okay. Through
What made you think
the whole park. And I'm gonna go down here a little bit farther and show you the thrift store I go to. And one more little restaurant I occasionally go to, though the one I showed you had better hamburgers, but these are a little bit cheaper. You can get them for like cheeseburger and fries for like $12 or $13 instead of $18. Yeah, I don't eat that much. Oh, I didn't show you the Thai restaurant. I bet I walked right past the Thai restaurant. Well, we'll see it on the way back. Nice change of pace. They use, of course, rice noodles. See, I kind of stay away from gluten when I can. And a dairy and things like that. So they use coconut milk and rice noodles, and it's actually pretty good stuff. A little Airbnb and Verbo thing going on here. And we're not going to go any farther. I think this is about as far as we're going to go here. Eagle Nest Cafe. Just cheeseburgers and fries. Pretty much about all they do have. They have some kind of like fried chicken fingers or something. But they're good too. And this road takes me back to Eagle Nest Lake State Park. And right across the street here, and I'm not going to go across the street. Favorite shopping place, it's Angel's Attic. It's a thrift store. It's run by the Baptist Church here. They're open. Oh, they're open. Change of pace here. Usually they have a little menu out here, but I'm not seeing it out. Usually have it on that stand right there. Okay. Okay, everybody, I think I've pretty much showed you everything there is here. I'm going to go ahead and go. I did get some pork cracklings. I'll try not to eat them all at one time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all are doing great. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.